How to turn off auto zoom on iPhone camera. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. You can adjust settings for the screen, sound, wireless connections, etc., and manage your accounts, apps, and notifications to create a personalized user experience. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Camera. Then, tap on the Preserve settings. You will notice your iPhone camera seems to automatically zoom in every time you switch to portrait mode. So, to turn off this auto zoom, scroll down and turn off the toggle of portrait zoom. Now, each time you switch to portrait mode, it will now reset to the default zoom, preventing any unwanted auto zooming. Following these steps, you can easily turn off auto zoom on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.